Requirement 6, develop securely. Requirement 6 of PCI-DSS is about developing and maintaining secure systems and software. It applies to both in-house applications and vendor-supplied software. The focus is on secure coding, patching vulnerabilities, and managing changes properly. This requirement ensures security is built into the software lifecycle. Developers must follow secure coding practices to prevent common attacks like injections or cross-site scripting. Organizations must also apply vendor patches quickly to avoid known exploits. Sub-requirement 6.1, processes defined. All secure development processes must be documented, updated, and in use. Roles and responsibilities must be clearly defined. Compliance is verified by reviewing documents and interviewing personnel to confirm accuracy. Sub-requirement 6.2, develop custom software securely. Custom software must be built using secure practices. Developers should be trained to prevent attacks like buffer overflows, cross-site scripting, and CSRF. Regardless of development method, security must be part of the process. Sub-requirement 6.3, identify and address vulnerabilities. Both in-house and vendor software must be checked for vulnerabilities. Organizations must maintain an inventory of software, track risks, and apply patches. Critical vulnerabilities should be patched within 1 month, while others follow an appropriate timeline. Sub-requirement 6.4, secure public-facing applications. Web applications that face the public must have extra protection. Automated tools should detect and block attacks, and payment page scripts must have integrity checks. Logs and monitoring ensure ongoing protection. Sub-requirement 6.5, manage changes securely. All system changes must follow a formal process. This includes analyzing risks, gaining approvals, and reassessing PCI-DSS compliance after updates. Pre-production and production environments must be separated, and live card data should never be used in testing. Examples in practice. Examples include following OWASP standards in coding, patching POS firmware quickly, and separating production from testing environments. Organizations may also use static and dynamic testing tools and apply centralized change management processes. To recap, Requirement 6 requires secure development, patching vulnerabilities, protecting public-facing apps, and managing changes carefully. Both in-house and vendor software must be kept secure at all times. The principle is simple: build security into every stage of the software lifecycle.